Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the grounding screw in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We'll start with our 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So right here's the grounding screw that we're going to be replacing. In order to get it out, we're using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement grounding screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we're just going to line up the hole and screw everything back in. And once that's secure, we can put the console back on. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.